Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. So I am up here in Pisgah Forest today. They reopened the forest a week ago, maybe a couple of days more, something like that. But anyway, we thought we would get up here and get out after Hurricane Helene. Man, that was one of the most devastating storms that I've ever been in. I mean, it just devastated our communities. I mean, floods washed away houses, trees. I mean, the water did so much damage, so much loss of life. I mean, it was crazy. I mean, I guess like a freak of nature, because you would never expect something like that to happen here, but it did. But we are rebuilding, and we are trying to carry on with our everyday lives and work and stuff like that, and we will get everything back up and going again. So anyway, I am up here doing the Loeb North Slope connector. I did it, I think it was 2022 when last time I was up here. But I thought I'd get out anyway and check it out and get a good hike in today. It's about 7.5 miles. And see how the trail looks. I know they've been working on the trail, so we'll get up here and see what we run into. And if I see anything, I'll bring it to you. Okay, let's go. Not sure how good you can see it, but that is a log jam right there, baby. All these logs that the water washed down, the trees that took with it. But you know what? It's not stopping people from getting out here fishing and doing what they like. Yeah. The leaves are looking beautiful. I mean, they are at their full color. A lot of them are about gone though. But yeah, I've seen a lot of down trees so far. I mean, they're off the trail, but they are a lot of down trees. It's really probably hard to see through the video here, but now this is just a little short section of it that I've come across yet. I'm sure that big thing hit these power lines and they had to fix that. Okay, let's continue on. All right, come across here going to the Loeb, but the bridge is out. But if you just cross this bridge right here and go to the right, you can get to the trail. Okay, here we go. All right, let's get on up this little mountain here. We'll get up to the top, I'll bring you back. See the river from up here. It's pretty beautiful, buddy. We're going through the green tunnel here. There are not a lot of views on this hike, but you've got the river to see. You might get a glimpse of a mountaintop here and there, but not a lot. But still, it's a nice hike, and I like it. And plus, not only do I do it for the views and nature, but I do it for my health too. It continues to keep me going. Helps my body, my joints, all that good stuff. Helps keep you young. Okay, let's get on up to the top here. She'll level out some for a ways. Well, we have got up and over. Now this is High Knob. It's not the summit. You're down below the summit of High Knob where the trail is. But we have successfully did that, and we're heading down. So from here on out is really not going to be too bad. And this spot right here, there's no water sources around. You would have to bring some water, but I'm gonna tell you, this would be just a great getaway hammock setup site. Logs are set on. You could fix you a little fireplace. But yeah, man, that'd be a good little place to camp. All right. You can't tell it, but it is going down. So let me get off here because the leaves are wet. So there are some great views on both sides of me, but you just cannot see them through the trees. But the mountaintops with the lifting fog, man, it's so awesome. And there goes the crows. Okay, let's get on up the trail. Well, we just come out on Joel Branch Road. Art Loeb picks up right down here. I'm not sure if you hear it or not, but right down there, around that curve, oh no, well it might be, well, yeah, I know it's down there, is Joel Branch. And it's usually always good for water. You can, I don't know if you can see it. There you go, right there. So, it's always been good for water, as many times as I've been up here. So, okay, Art Loeb picks up right here, and we're heading on. So far, trail's been great. All right, everybody. Whew, so I've made it to the top of this mountain, going down. So far we've done about 2,000 feet of elevation gain since we got on to Art Loeb. So pretty much most of what I've done so far has been up. So the rest of it should not be too bad. So let's get on down through this green tunnel here. And I don't know, probably another mile. We'll be coming up on the connector. I'll see you there. All right, everybody. So I forgot to mention how the day is. Well, we got a lot of overcast. So when I started out this morning, it was probably 50, 52. And it's really not changed a whole lot. Last I checked, it was about 53 degrees. But it's kind of, it's not cool, a little balmy, I'd say. But yeah, it's overall, it's a nice day. It's been real good out on trail. Trail's been good. Everything's clear. And from my understanding, from the Davidson River to the Blue Ridge Parkway, they've got all that cleared. Now, going up Silver Mine and Pilot, they've got some work to do. And I know as you enter into the wilderness past Tennant Mountain, they've got a whole lot of work to do. They're saying it's going to be a few months before they get all that took care of, and I wouldn't doubt it, because I'm telling you, you start hiking in there and lugging a chainsaw, gas, and stuff like that, it's not easy. And I appreciate everything these guys are doing to get the trails clear. It gives us a chance to get back out on the trails and enjoy what we love doing. So kudos to all you guys and gals that are taking your time to go out there and take care of these trails for us. Okay, let's head on down. Well, we have made it to the connector. The Art Loeb keeps going that way, and this is where we are going. Okay, let's go. Well, if I've got my math right, I've done a little over 3,100 feet of elevation gain. So now it's descending down back to the river, and it'll be flat the rest of the way. Okay. Man, I tell you, I forgot how steep this descent was off of the north slope coming down. Man, it will kill your knees, especially me, my age. I don't mind the climbs. Climbs will wear me out. But boy, the descents, it just takes a toll on your legs. So I've had one little slip, but it wasn't bad at all. I had a tree beside me, so I caught that tree. So you're gonna have your share of slip trips if you hike or backpack. So I think we're getting pretty close to the bottom. It's really starting to open up. I like it. Okay, let's head on. Do a few switchbacks here. A little view right there through the trees. The Davidson River, everybody. That right there is Avery's Creek. It's a beautiful river. Good for trout fishing. And we going that way. Well, everybody, it's coming to an end. It's been a great morning. Weather's been perfect. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for coming along. I hope everyone has a blessed day. And as always, I will see you on the trail.